Look, I could not have anticipated how controversial this was going to be. All I said was that I didn't want to use snap hooks to leash up my dog anymore. That's it. People lost their minds in the comments. Unlike most people on the internet that just complain and move on with their lives, I actually invented a new mechanism to fix the problem that I was annoyed with. You check it out and maybe lose your minds in the comments too.
We seriously need a new option. Virtually all of these clips do the exact same thing. You have to turn the collar and clip the leash onto the collar. I want to be done with clipping. I just kept thinking there's gotta be a better way of doing this. And that is why I created Unleash. It's as simple as loop, lock, and walk. It combines the ease of a slip lead with the security of a clipped leash and collar combination with the easiest quick release there is. You just slide it over their head and then the patented locking mechanism slides down and locks at the exact spot that you chose for your dog's neck.
And then you simply press the release and the collar falls away.